Kikubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong. Ka Three Olives Restaurant. Balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P. Hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating. Ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom. Ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong. Balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating. Balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Scientist ubadairu Secretary Department of Space but chairman jong ke India Space Research Organization Dr. K. Sivan ula plipaj ba ya ke Space Center kabadan Hadon Bosco Museum Hamaulai but hakani ke Space Center labo ya kitiar kitar rengkat kijing batay banya bin pabin kibala ban ay jingtip ye kinongwan jingok kai hakani ke sngi Ledon Langru, Vice Chancellor Jong North Eastern Hills University, Professor K. Srivastava, but Kiwe Pan.
I'm extremely happy that it is done in a very nice way. I always used to say, small is beautiful. There is one example for that, I'm telling you. The Space Corner at Don Bosco Museum showcases the Indian capabilities in the space sector in terms of launch vehicles, satellites, along with wide range of space technology applications. Applications of satellite remote sensing, communication, navigation, atmospheric sciences relevant to the region are the major highlights. I am assured that the Space Corner will attract large number of visitors and will help to spread awareness about the space technology and application to the common people. When we are talking about ISRO or DOS, people always used to think DOS is, or ISRO, I said, the DOS not many people are aware, ISRO is a Ravanam port. Nobody knows what is happening there. And what is happening outside, the people inside doesn't know. This is the situation. People used to think. But the ISRO is really doing, the aim or a vision of ISRO is to make use of the space technology for the benefit of the common man of the country. Especially, this is very much required for the northeastern region. Because of the special characteristics of the terrain, as well as the challenges, the type of or the disaster prone in this region, space technology is the only technology can link the people across the different locations, and they can bring the advanced technology to the doorsteps of the people, especially for Northeastern people. That is exactly the Northeastern SAC, Space Application Center, is doing, and what it is really doing is something amazing. And using with the diverse applications like communications, or remote sensing, or navigation, or weather prediction, in all the area, they are contributing in a major way to the public of this region. But whether we are satisfied? We are not satisfied. just giving applications alone. Recently, we were thinking of creating an outreach facility. We want the people to learn and understand and make that entire region to be aware of this space technology. Again, outreach facilities established, and it is going to be inaugurated today afternoon by our Honorable Minister, Home Minister, Mr. Singh Ji is going to inaugurate. That is going to give you another dimension. Yes, is it over? Is it the end of the space technology application regimes? No. All of you are aware. I am also very much aware. This northeastern region is a very high rich in natural resources. Many untapped potential is lying inside the earth. It is nowhere in India that such type of potential and treasure is available. That is the type of survey as well as satellite images shows. It is our duty to bring out these rich resources for the benefit of the people in this region as well as for the benefit of the entire country. So, Northeast, once it is going to become the real controlling factor for the whole India. I am sure that the day is not too far away. At the same time, to take this potential, definitely that the system available is not sufficient, and we need to bring more and more advanced technologies for tapping the potential. At the same time, that not only that identifying the potential, it should be available to the common man. For this purpose, Northeast SAC or Space Application Center, or in particular, or Department of Space in general, is really working very hard to bring this particular information and technologies and resources to the outside.